Okay. What's up? How you doing? I'm the man. My name's Star. I'm 16 doing shows and I rock out like a guitar. He tryna run. We in a car. I don't think he gon' make it far. Had behind the bush, got quiet. Boom. And all he heard was fuck. Put up on your block. Skirt over. Hit and run. Told him I don't play. I really rap. This ain't fun.
All stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled, professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
Alright, so while I'm stuck right here, I'm trying to get out type shit.
We can just have all the chargers lined up right there. Me and my boys right there. Like,
okay.
Over there. So if you could just like,
I told you I was gonna make some more content back, man. You see I got the baby outside, you feel me? More upgrades on the way. Even got twin them in the back, you feel me? Even got twin them in the back. But you see what we working with right now. This is charger section, you feel me? Stop fucking with that stuff. Charger section. This shit fired, I ain't gonna lie. This shit is fire. And he got the shit on the back. So he ain't fucking off with it. But yeah. We vlogging right now, man. I told y'all I was gonna bring some more content back for y'all, man. I'm gonna just show y'all all the hot shit that I see right now. Like, this shit's fire, man. I ain't gonna lie. This shit right here is crazy fire. And I almost got a Camaro, man. If y'all know the vlogs, man, I almost got one before type shit. Charger back there, you feel me? But yeah, get back on the vlogs. Told y'all I was bringing more content soon. Got the Genesis. You got the Super Rod. Got this Hellcat at. See, this one I need to upgrade for real too. We vlogging right now. I got the sand. No, he got the red eye here. Stop fucking up, bro. We got the fan eye. Stains, a lot of stains. But it's pretty lit out here though. I ain't gonna lie. Talk to a few people Mopars out here because you know I got my shit out right now. Really 2 cammed up right now, 2 cammed up. I'm bringing y'all footage. I told y'all we're bringing all the footage. With the underglow over there. But I don't think none of the like regular cars over there. I think they all over there on the side. But we got the fans out. This is sexy, I ain't gonna lie to it. That shit's fire though. Oh yeah, that nigga running. Like you see the baby here though. We're repping police though. But this shit's fire though. I ain't gonna lie. You see, hold up. See I got the hood though. And then you got Sparks Customs there. Oh shit, this shit hurt. This shit's fire, I ain't gonna lie. Right next to the baby. Next to that. Gonna be the ball. When I see some more fire shit, I'm gonna try to link up with some people, do some connects, you feel me? But yeah, see what I can do. I'm trying to get some shit worked on too, to be honest. So whatever somebody can hook me up with, I need tent, I need wheels, I need everything really. So whatever someone can hook me up with for real. So I'm gonna try to get some connects out here, you feel me? So to be tuned back when I start the video back up.
And post a Curtis Jackson. That's a 50 just in case you asking. Shit, I feel like AI when I'm balling.
See people going crazy right now. That just got me a bed type shit. But I told y'all I was gonna keep vlogging for y'all. More shit on the way, more upgrades. More upgrades. See this shit right here? This shit getting changed. Like I already ordered this shit already type shit. So don't even worry about that. It's not even gonna look like what I got from the back no more. So that shit getting upgraded, you feel me? I already got the hood. The brackets got ordered today too. So this shit, all this shit finna get changed too. So all this shit gonna connect. So it's gonna look right, you feel me? It's gonna make sense. Make it make sense. But yeah, the fact I ordered all that shit today. Liquor bill might be coming soon. I've been thinking about that shit. But all these shit's been hard though. So it's been giving me ideas on what I should do for my shit. like that. I already had a front splitter, but I think that's carbon though. Shit is carbon though. That shit is carbon on the front splitter. So I got so many options to do. So like, oh, that's exactly what I'm getting. The exhaust tips and then the back. But then I gotta order a lot of shit though. But I ain't gonna lie, this hood was getting me right now. So I don't know, bro. But more shit on the way, more upgrades. I come out here for inspiration. I don't just come out here just to be doing nothing. I just come out here to see what I can do, what I'm gonna upgrade my car next, shit like that. So yeah, more content on the way. I'm gonna see if I can socialize. I'm not too social. I done talked to a few people. I'm kind of stuck right now. As y'all see my parking, so like I can't really get out. So I'm gonna just try to socialize until I can go home type shit. But we still going to do more content. Charger, man. I feel welcome, bro. I'm glad everybody coming out with a charger today. Man, like Scatty, you're not gonna get in there. I didn't even see they was back. What is that? See, I don't know shit about mirrorless, so y'all gonna have to update me on that shit. Cat? There's a cat on the road. People leaving. I'm gonna head out here. I might give y'all a POV type shit. I want to set up my GoPro and then give y'all a POV drive on the way home since we ain't doing like crazy amount of shit. But yeah, I'm gonna give y'all like a POV type shit. I'm probably gonna hook up my GoPro. Where is my GoPro? But yeah, I'm probably gonna hook up my GoPro type shit. What's up? Wow, crazy. But yeah, we vlogging. Truck going crazy. I'm gonna set up my GoPro right now. Set up my GoPro because I think we're finna leave soon. And I do want to make this a little bit of a long video, so I will be back with y'all. Tune in, stay locked in, more content on the way. Do it like on the top, to be honest. I think I want to set it up at the top. Let's see. Alright, go ahead. Nah, bro, shit, wow, I ain't gonna lie. Y'all don't even know. Y'all don't even know. That shit's fire. Shout out bro shit, the follow bro on Instagram, that's the clothing line. But this is the car though. I ain't gonna lie, this shit fire. I've been showing y'all already the whole video. I kept running in this car. But I ran into bro though, bro was helping me get the parking spot. And it's actually his shit though. Like when I was showing y'all the carbon fiber hood, bro, that shit is fucking crazy though. That shit's hard though. But I actually ran into bro, he pretty cool though. You got the GoPro set up too? You got the Boy, hold on, let me get this real quick. What the fuck? Turbo S? No way. No. That's kind of crazy though. You know, if y'all know me, y'all know I fuck with that car heavy. I ain't gonna lie. We got another one here. This the other one over here. But then we got this one out over here, the blue one. We got the cat eye. The other one part 2 over here. Got this one. Oh, I'm tripping. The Mitsubishi. And then we got the other one over here. With the same shit. If y'all know what that means, then let me know. But I don't know what that means. It ain't too much to record. I'm probably gonna end this video off with a POV or some shit. I did meet a few people. Glad I came to the meeting though. Make some little connection, but more content on the way. This is what they be looking at right now. But yeah, we got this bitch. See y'all when I start the GoPro.
It was hard, I had to learn, I had to take mine. They say fast money ain't good, but that's just how I make mine. That's just how I make my M's. When they talking, I don't hear shit they be saying like it seems. You telling me I'm supposed to buy designer when all you wear is skins? I hate a broke bitch that be begging, they don't sit right with my skin. Hope God forgive me for my sins.